Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a famous drink for weight loss and to burn belly fat with or without exercise or dieting. I decided to try out this recipe and surprisingly I was able to lose about 20 pounds in a couple of days by adding some extra fat burning ingredients to make it super effective, so please watch to the end so you don't miss it. And also, if you haven't seen my first belly fat burning video, please check it out as that is my #1 and go-to recipe anytime. I'll leave a link in the description box and comment section below. So now let's get down to it. To start out, we'll pour a cup of raw oats into a bowl and cover it completely with about 2 to 3 cups of drinkable water and let it sit overnight or until softened. The next day, we'll notice that the oat has softened and also increased in bulk and also has a slimy texture to it, but that's okay. We'll simply go ahead and strain out the liquid, rinse out the oat thoroughly with drinkable water, and then transfer into a blender. The next step would have been to add water and blend the oats, but instead of that, I prepared a well-steeped green tea, which is also a strong fat-burning ingredient. As much as I like water, I'd rather use green tea for all its weight loss and fat-burning benefits, or wouldn't you? Now we'll go ahead and combine these and other basic but powerful fat-burning ingredients to enhance the potency of our drink. These other ingredients are ground cinnamon and turmeric powder and also a little bit of honey as sweetener. We'll also be adding vanilla essence for flavor, but this is optional. Add about half of the steeped green tea and blend thoroughly. Then we'll top up with the remaining tea or some water and blend until well combined. Finally, we'll pass it through a strainer, or sometimes I leave it just as it is for extra fiber and fullness. And then I pour it into a jar and drink for at least 3 times a day before each meal. And here you have it guys, a powerful fat burning drink you can take to help you reach your weight loss goals. Combine this drink with mindful eating and a good exercise plan and the sky is your limit. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your questions and doubt in the comment section below. Share this video with anyone you think will need it, and please subscribe and like this video. It will help me a lot. See you in the next video and God bless. Bye.